it's on the driver's side. And if you, I'm going to take my screwdriver, and I'm going to show you inside the engine here where the start of that hose is. If you see me touching, if you look at the top here, this is the top of where the PVC hose is, and if you follow that down, which is this here, this one, it comes down and around and then connects here. That's the PVC valve, and this is the hose that I actually pulled off of here. There's a clip on it. You have to undo the clip. So I'm going to try and just zoom in here. I guess not. Let me see if I can get in closer for you. And I think you have an idea there. This is the hose, and this is the PVC valve here. And so I'm having a little trouble just twisting it out. I think there's a little clip on there. So once I get it all in, I'll just come back and show you.